Hey guys, it's Jack here, and we have a Mega Lucario EX figure collection. It's got the Mega Lucario there, fighting to get out. Got a Journey Together, 2 Destined Rivals, and a couple of Mega Evolutions packs. Of course, it's got to be the Venusaur artwork, because Venusaur is the best. I also got a nice new Mew playmat the other day. Watch out, Chewy. Mrs. Jack is hanging out next to us.
Hello, everybody.
She's doing her diamonds.
It's a special day for me and Jack.
It is a special day.
It's our anniversary. This is the anniversary edition.
Yeah, anniversary edition of the Pokemon cards.
Mega Lucario.
Mrs. Jack got a parking ticket.
At the Poke store?
Yeah, we were in there for literally 5 minutes. Well, it's Friday today, and we had the day off. We had a couple days off now due to hunting season, and we kind of thought it was Saturday.
We're not used to being in town, it not being the weekend, and then don't have to pay for parking.
So there you go. Now we got a parking ticket for $20. And the next store we went into, we paid for top parking, you betcha. Cost me 50 cents, and we were allowed to park there for, I don't know, 40 minutes or something. So there's the good old Lucario there. Or should I say Mega Lucario? Big, massive card there. And we also have a single back blister of Mega Evolution. These are like really hard to come by in Jack's neck of the woods. So just sit back and relax and wait for us to get into this. Oh. Technical difficulties. Oh, you even get a little coin. But no code card in that one. Nope, nope, nope. But we get a wonderful looking Drifloon promo card. God bless you, Chewy. Okay, so into some, excuse me, Journey Together we go. I made an iced coffee and I put milk and Coca-Cola in it. Now I got the burps. Mrs. Jack warned me about it, but nope. Water Energy, a Whalmer, and Zorua, and Darumaka, Fungus, Snarl, and Pee Up. Forgot about that one. Darumaka, Levincia, and a Tyranitar. That's the Journey Together one. Destined Rivals, here we come. Ethan Sudowoodo, Team Rocket's Coughing, Electabuzz, Gibble, Wellspring Max Ogrepon, Team Rockets Mimikyu, Morgrim, Rapidash Reverse, Squawkabilly, and a Spidups. That's a little Jack. She likes sending video messages, or what are they called? Audio messages?
Yes.
Instead of texting. It's a new hip thing. Chewy's upset because we paused it. Houndour, Beldum, Jingling, Grimer, Jim, Mudsdale, Orbeetle, Metatite Reverse, Ethan's Adventure, and a Megargo. Megargo? Mega Lucario pack. This is from the single pack blister. Look out, Chewy. There's a code card. Get it before Mrs. Pokejack does. Ooh, Abra. Switch. Execute. Beware of the Beware. Pyroar. Executor. A Snom.
Ooh,
Ninjask. Illustration rare.
very nice.
That is very nice. That's pretty lucky out of a single pack.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Oh.
Mega Lucario can move down the line a little bit. In case you guys want to check out the promo cards a little bit better. Flying Pokemon cards. Sobble, Electrike, Uniri, Anchor, Latios, Marshadow, Goldengo, Switch Reverse,
Ooh,
Litleo Illustration Rare.
wow.
That's pretty cool. And a Kyogre.
That's pretty lucky.
Very lucky. Okay, and the last pack, the Venusaur. Yes,
Great.
Chewy, I'll let you out after I'm done opening Pokemon cards. The last pack.
Playing
Here,
the in and out game.
put that in your mouth. Nope.
Right? Yeah. The in and out game. Is it? Is it nice?
Dark Energy and an Ultra Ball. Jinx. Onyx. Ice Cube. Surfing Beach. Chewy, you're shaking the whole thing. Tangela Reverse.
Oh, wow.
Gumshoes, Illustration Rare. And Alakazam.
Way to go.
So 3 packs of Mega Evolution. We got 3 Illustration Rares. Would you look at that?
Wow.
Thank you guys very much for watching. Pokejacks out.